When it comes to improving the aesthetics, energy efficiency, and overall comfort of your home, few home improvement projects can make as much of an impact as professional window replacement. In Dallas, a city known for its extreme weather conditions, upgrading your windows is a smart decision that can benefit both your home and your wallet. Whether you are looking to enhance the curb appeal of your property, save on energy costs, or protect your home from the elements, professional window replacement offers numerous advantages. In this article, we will explore the top benefits of investing in professional window replacement in Dallas. Improved energy efficiency. Dallas experiences both scorching summers and chilly winters, making it essential for homeowners to have energy-efficient windows. Old or damaged windows can allow air leaks, leading to a significant loss of cool air in the summer and heat in the winter. This means your HVAC system has to work overtime, driving up your energy bills. Professional window replacement allows you to install modern, energy-efficient windows with better insulation and advanced technologies that keep the temperature inside your home comfortable all year round. Energy-efficient windows can lower your utility costs by reducing the need for heating and cooling, making your home more sustainable and eco-friendly. Enhanced home comfort. In addition to energy savings, new windows can greatly enhance the comfort of your home. Older windows often let in drafts, causing uncomfortable hot or cold spots in different rooms. By replacing your windows with high-performance options, you can maintain a consistent temperature throughout your home, eliminating these temperature fluctuations. New windows also offer better soundproofing, reducing noise from the outside, such as traffic or neighbors, which is especially beneficial in a bustling city like Dallas. This improved sound insulation creates a more peaceful and quiet environment inside your home. Increased property value. One of the most immediate benefits of window replacement is the boost it can give to your home's value. Potential buyers are often willing to pay more for a home with newer, more efficient windows, especially if they are energy efficient and stylish. The curb appeal of your home is also greatly enhanced with modern window styles and designs, giving your property a fresh and updated look. If you plan to sell your Dallas home in the future, investing in professional window replacement can offer a high return on investment, ROI, and make your property stand out in a competitive real estate market. Better protection from the elements. Dallas weather can be unpredictable, with heavy rains, intense sun, and occasional storms all part of the mix. New, high-quality windows are built to withstand extreme weather conditions better than older windows. Impact-resistant glass, for example, can provide added protection against flying debris during storms, while double or triple glazed windows offer superior insulation and protection from heat and cold. Upgrading your windows can also help prevent damage caused by UV rays, which can fade your furniture, carpets, and other interior elements over time. With professional window replacement, you can feel confident that your home is better protected against the elements. Lower maintenance costs. Older windows often require more maintenance and repairs, such as sealing leaks, replacing weather stripping, or fixing broken sashes. Over time, this ongoing maintenance can add up, costing you both time and money. New windows, on the other hand, are typically more durable and require less upkeep. Many modern windows are designed with low-maintenance features like self-cleaning glass or coatings that reduce the accumulation of dirt and grime. Choosing professional window replacement means less time spent on repairs and more time enjoying the benefits of your new windows. Aesthetic appeal. Your windows are one of the most noticeable features of your home's exterior. Replacing old, worn-out windows with new, stylish ones can dramatically improve your home's appearance. Whether you prefer sleek, modern windows, classic wooden frames, or something in between, professional window replacement offers a variety of options to suit your aesthetic preferences. New windows can help you create the look you want, enhancing the overall design and making your home more visually appealing to guests, potential buyers, and even passers-by. Expert installation and long-term reliability. Perhaps one of the most significant benefits of choosing professional window replacement is the quality of installation. A professional team will ensure that your new windows are installed correctly, providing optimal performance and longevity. Improper installation can lead to issues like drafts, water leaks, and poor insulation, negating the benefits of your new windows. When you invest in professional installation, you can trust that your windows will function as intended, offering years of reliable service. Conclusion. In Dallas, where the weather can be extreme and energy costs continue to rise, investing in professional window replacement offers an array of benefits that can enhance your home's energy efficiency, comfort, and value. From improved insulation and lower energy bills to enhanced aesthetics and protection from the elements, new windows are a smart investment for any homeowner. If you're considering window replacement for your Dallas home, professional installation ensures that you enjoy all of these advantages and more.